How to auto scroll on Instagram Reels 2025. Narration. Before we start, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Instagram tips and easy tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to auto scroll on Instagram Reels in 2025. First, open the Instagram app and go to the Reels section. As of 2025, Instagram does not have an official auto scroll feature built directly into the app. That means Reels won't scroll automatically on their own by default. However, there is a safe and allowed workaround you can use. On Android, go to your phone's settings, then open Accessibility. Look for features like auto-click, assistant menu, or accessibility controls, depending on your device. Enable it and set a simple tap action on the screen. This allows the phone to automatically swipe up after a set time, scrolling Reels hands-free. On iPhone, open Settings, then go to Accessibility. Tap Switch Control or Assistive Touch. Set up a custom gesture that swipes up and assign it to run automatically. This can simulate auto-scrolling while you're watching Reels. Make sure your phone stays unlocked and the Instagram app remains open for this to work properly. Pro tip: keep the auto-scroll delay slow so you can fully watch each reel without skipping content too fast. That's it! Now you know how to auto-scroll on Instagram Reels in 2025 using built-in accessibility features. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and comment Reels below.